Good morning student, we will continue with the 11th standard economics chapter 10 rural economics. In that next topic is rural unemployment. So rural unemployment in the sense the person is searching for employment but he cannot able to find the job under the human resources as long as, so that means the human resource not used properly. So as long as unemployment will be there, social status cannot be improved. So the economy cannot be achieved development. We cannot say that is a growth will be achieved, sustainable growth cannot be achieved. So according to Peter Diamond, Dale Dorman, Christopher Episoderis shared in 2010, all these are the economics, three economics. They study on unemployment, how the unemployed can be removed from the society. For that they have given the studies. They are also, all the three have got the Nobel Prize for the study of job creating. That is, they are given a DMP model. DMP, the name Dale Martin and அவங்களுடைய நேமோட கன்சிஸ்டன்ட்ல வச்சு தான் DMP. ஒரு எக்கனாமிக்ஸோட ஒரு வேர்டு வச்சு ஒரு லெட்டர் ஆஃப் that is called Dale Mortonலேருந்து M, Episoderisலேருந்து P, கிறிஸ்டோஃபர், ஸோ DMP. ஓகே, Peter Diamondலேருந்து D, Dale Mortonலேருந்து M, and also Episoderisலேருந்து P. அதனால தான் DMP model. So this is a model. What they given is then means this model is given, or they'll make you to understand how the unemployment can be vanished, how to regulate the rules and regulation to create the employment opportunity, or the economic policy should be made to create the employment opportunity. That is what they are mentioned. So as on the 4th October 2016 census in India, 7.8% are unemployed in India. In that rural area 10.1%, all over India there are 8.5% unemployment. In India rural area 7.8, urban area, that is township 10.1, rural 7.8, urban 10.1, all over India 8.1% of people will be unemployed. Now because of corona it may be increased also. So there are three types of unemployment will be there. First, open unemployment means they will be remain without work. It is found in agriculture activities, that means artisan, literary, that is poetry writing, கவிதை எழுதுவாங்களா, books அவங்களுக்கு அது சொல்லுது. Next we'll go for the concealed unemployment. If they withdraw from the work, அதாவது வேலையிலிருந்து அவங்கள நீக்கிட்டாலோ நிறுத்திட்டாலோ, the production won't affect. So that we can say farmers, artisan we can say. So rural area, this type of unemployment will be in the rural 25%. Urban area 13%. Next, the seasonal unemployment means particular season only they will be employed. Other than that season, there will be unemployment. Rainy season, harvest will be there. We can say ice cream factory, those are working. And for them, summer season only they will have a work. Like that, we can seasonal unemployment will be there. So 5 to 6 million people will be there. Like this. So because of this only they cannot repay their debts. That's why they will make a suicide in the agriculture. So totally 84% of the agriculture labor are unemployed, average of 82 days in a year. 82 yearல ஒரு 82 நாள் அவங்க unemployed இருந்தானா how they will make. Then what causes for the rural unemployment? So according to the absence of a skill development, the government has to take a step to give required training for the rural people. We can say required training should be given to the agriculture labor. Without that we cannot make any improvement in their field. They have to create a job opportunity in the rural area. Next, seasonal natural agriculture means what we can say that rural will be depend much on the natural and rain only they'll be. Mostly they'll be depend upon rain. If it's rain is not proper in that time means they cannot do any proper agriculture. Off season they have the employment opportunity should be created, then only they can improve it. Next we'll go for the mechanization of agriculture. That means in the agriculture field, for the harvesting, plowing, irrigation and all, mission if it's keep on using means already surplus people there in the agriculture field, mission also if started using means how they will get a job opportunity. Next, capital intensive technology, in the sense the private people should be encouraged to start the business in rural area. Then only surplus people in the rural area, that people will be absorbed by the industry. அதில் எக்ஸஸாக இருக்கிறவங்களாம் அந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் போய் வேலை பார்க்குவாங்க. அக்ரோ பேஸ்டு இண்டஸ்ட்ரியாக இருந்தால் இன்னும் பெட்டராக இருக்கும். அக்ரோ பேஸ்டுன்னா சுகர் ஃபேக்ட்ரின்னா agriculture பண்ணாத sugar. So nearby that one we can make it. Next, defective system of education. Large number of degree producing university institution has launched. The student will be thinking only degree only, not with the skill. So degree should be awarded only on the base of skill only, so that unemployment can be reduced. The youth, those are unemployment, they should get sufficient facility to update their skills. So what will be remedy for this rural unemployment? So for that, the first one, subsidies should be given. A loan such should create the loan. Those are need, the loan should be given, and their product for that, their product, the marketing should be available there for their product. Next is a rural works program. A construction of roads, maintaining of roads, digging of drains, canals, planning during the off season should be there. Unemployment, then அப்போ அந்த சீசன் அறுவடை முடிஞ்சு அடுத்த 6 மாதத்துக்கு அவங்க அன்எம்ப்ளாய் அந்த சீசனில் இதெல்லாம் மெயின்டைன், they will also will get a job opportunity. Next, irrigation facility. Farmers should adopt the multiple cropping system. Cash crop system they can create, so that additional தென்னை மரம் தோப்பு இருந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த தோப்பில் they can create a what we can say, pepper farming they can make it, இல்லை வெத்தலை பாக்கு தோட்டம் போடலாம். So multiple cropping can be made. Next, rural industrialization. New industries should be open in the rural area. Government has to give subsidies or encourage the private sectors to launch. The concession should be given to that people. Technical education means in the school level or college level, the technical training like education should be given, so that student or youth can be start their own business, and then so that they can become the business owners. Next is a rural industries. In the sense, industry should utilize the local people available. What is we can say, the nearby the village, what and all the raw material available, using that raw material only they can start manufacturing the product. According to that, the industry should be launched. For that we can say, example, cottage industry, village industry, small scale industry, that and all, with agro based industry we can say. That first one, cottage industry means it gives, first one, cottage industry gives a part-time full-time job opportunity. The person who using this industry, village or cotton industry, mostly family members only, combined with the family members, and that person will be working in the other job also, part-time will be working, and it will be from the generation to traditional they can make. No power or electric power won't be using. They work only usually at the order கொடுத்தா மட்டும் தான் manufacture, இல்லைன்னா இல்லை. Example we can say mat, choir, basket making, handloom weaving, washing soap making, pottery, handmade paper, horn, key making, everything will come under this. Next we'll go for the village industry. Village industry, in the sense we can say depend upon the local raw material, as I said, bamboo making, basket making, shoe making, pottery, leather tanning, pottery making, leather tanning, that similar to the cottage we can say. Next is small scale industry, SSI. They are local people near the urban area. They'll sell the goods for the both for the local and for the foreign market. That means big industry kuda spare parts manufacture they can do it. SSI example, sports goods, soap, electric fans, footwear, sewing machines, handloom weaving, everything will come under this one. SSI is also known as a micro, macro, small, medium enterprises, we can say. So according to that, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Act 2006 will come under this one. Next we'll go for the agro-based. Agro-based na idhaan solluvaanga. It is agro-based cottage industry or small scale industry. That means agriculture depend panni and the industry irukum. Example, textile, sugar industry, paper industry, vegetable oil, tea, coffee industries. These all will create a employment opportunity regularly. Okay, next we'll go for the rural indebtedness. So rural indebtedness kadan vaangirukkom. So it is a situation rural people is unable to pay the loans. Loan vaangirpaanga or 5 years 3 years they are unable. Nadula ஒரு வருஷம் 2 வருஷம் ரெயின் இல்லாத இருக்கலாம், அப்போ அறுவடை பண்ணாத இருக்கலாம். That time they cannot repay. The weak financial is the main reason for this. The loan should be given to the farmers, landless people, it should be. So they have to take a loan from, but now it's very restriction for the formal banks. So they will be mostly depend upon the private lenders. They'll take a loan for various purposes like agriculture, to buy the or purchase of equipments, and the expense of celebration of their festivals, and for their medicine charges or expense will be more. But their income is very low. Because of that only they cannot pay the interest, or also interest, and also some of the money they cannot pay the interest. So the government has launched the social and economic census. They are given how the people are living in. So government socio-economic caste census, according to that 2015, 73% households in rural people living as a household, 18.5% scheduled caste people, 11% belong to the scheduled tribe people. So according to the National Sample Survey Organization NSSO 2002 to 2003, 30% of poor borrowers get loan from the formal banks. All India Debt Investment Survey has said that AIDS 2002 has credit has அதாவது கடன் வாங்குறது டிக்ளைன் ஆயிருக்கு. தட் இஸ் மோஸ்ட்லி இந்த ஃபார்மல் பேங்க்ல ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ஷன் ரூல்ஸ் ரெகுலேஷன் அப்போ அந்த ஃபார்மர்ஸ் இல்லிட்ரேட் தே கேன் நாட் கம்பீட். ஸோ வாட் தே வில் டூ, ப்ரைவேட் மணி லெண்டர்ஸ்கிட்ட போயிடுவாங்க, லோக்கல் அத்தாரிட்டியில் இருக்கிற அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, நிறைய இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் காசு கொடுப்பாங்க. லைக் தட் 66.3% 1991, 57.1% 2002 they started taking the credit from the informal channels, that is private money lender. அப்போ தான் உங்களுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஜாஸ்தியாக they cannot pay interest as well as the sum amount. Because of that only they will get a suicide and all they will do. So according to the futures of a rural indebtedness, what will happen? 3/4 of a rural families in the country are debt, கடன்ல தான் இருக்காங்க. Agriculture people are more debt than non-agriculture. அர்பன் ஏரியாவில் இருக்க அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் ப்ராடக்ட் வாங்கி சாப்பிட்றவங்கெல்லாம் நல்லா தான் இருக்காங்க, அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் பண்ணுறவங்க தான் டெப்டில். தட்ஸ் வை தே ஆர் ஸ்டில் ஃபைட்டிங் இன் டெல்லி, வி கேன் சே தட். மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த டெட் டேக்கன் ஆர் ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் ஃபார் த அன்ப்ரொடக்டிவ் நேச்சர் ஒன்லி வித் அ ஹை ரேட் ஆஃப் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். So mostly they will be rely on the agriculture, this private money lenders agency, அதனால தான் they cannot pay, we can say. So what will be the cause for the rural indebtedness? Vicious circle, poverty of farmers. First, farmers borrow the money, the consumption will be their cultivation for their celebration of festival, everything, but then they started expensing. So there is no money to save for them. So the poverty and debt, high rate of interest for the farmers, they cannot pay the interest to the private money lenders. So this private money lenders have a grip of this farmers in there. Then அவங்க கடன் கொடுக்க முடியாததுனால அடுத்து இன்னொரு கடன் வாங்குவாங்க. இதே மாதிரி கடன் வாங்கி அந்த ப்ரைவேட் லெண்டர்ஸோட ஹேண்ட்லேருந்து அவங்க வெளியே வரணும். அதுதான் they will be grip of a money lendersன்னு சொல்கிறோம். Next, failure of a monsoon. As I said, they'll depend upon the rain, nature only. So if it's rain, nature has failed of monsoon, பருவமழை வரல அப்படின்னா they cannot do agriculture. That time it's very difficult to repay the debts. Next, the litigation. Litigation in the sense, we can say that a legal action. If any problem with their land, neighbor land means, for legal expenses, actions, courtல போய் கேஸ் போட்டு அந்த எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ்க்கு they will have a more. For that they will have heavy loan. They are uneducated. So for that their savings, everything will be vanished or dried up away. So these may be the causes. And the money lender, high rate of from the money lenders, interest they cannot pay. So what will be the measures for the rural indebtedness? How we can repay this? All this means the government of India, rural indebtedness, the development of rural. For that the government has launched many banks, like that development of rural banks, regional rural banks, microfinance formation, self-help groups, primary cooperation banks. All these provide a loan facility to the poor farmers. SHG, that means self-help group, has given the loan, but when compared to the education loan, car loan is very less, we can say. So next class will go for the RRP. Okay, up to this we'll finish.